Hi, I'm Olawale Christopher Alaoluwa from Nigeria, a student at University of Salford studying petroleum and gas engineering. Why I'm so much interested in petroleum and gas engineering is that my country, which I come from, Nigeria, is one of the major large producers of crude oil in the world, the 10th largest in the world, and the 3rd largest in Africa, in which many international oil companies are situated, and I want to help in development of the oil sector in my country, Nigeria. Reason for studying petroleum and gas engineering in the University of Salford: it enhances your career prospects in the oil and gas industry. It gives you the opportunity to become a chartered engineer, and it gives you the skills in problem solving in terms of design and management of your skill and the scientific approach at your workplace. If you have any problem, you can just go to the Student Life. They offer help and support on a wide ranges of issues, including guidance, career and employability of the students, and also the student well-being. So, in my opinion, studying at Salford is a step forward in achieving your career goal. Thank you.